Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and many women ask, how can they take better care of the urinary tract? So let's review the basic. First, urinate when you feel the need. Don't resist or ignore the urge to go. Wipe from front to back with unscented and unbleached toilet paper. Take showers instead of baths. Avoid feminine deodorant sprays, douches, and powders. Cleanse your genital area prior to and after intercourse, ideally with a bidet. Now, if these steps fail, what can you do? Well, my answer might surprise you. The first thing many women reach for when they're concerned with urinary health is cranberry juice. Right? Wrong. This is a bad idea, as most cranberry juice is loaded with corn syrup or other sugars that will worsen insulin resistance and drive your health in the wrong direction. So what can you do? One of the most important things you can do to protect your urinary health is to, get this, avoid handling raw chicken. That's right. Most people don't understand one of the primary ways you can protect your urinary health is by avoiding the source of many of the pathogens. So please avoid, or at the minimum, be ultra careful handling any raw chicken. This is because raw chicken can contain the same pathogens that cause urinary tract infections. Now, additionally, I recommend that you pay very careful attention to your sanitary pads and napkins, as many are actually not made from cotton but are chemically treated wood pulp and are loaded with harmful chemical fragrances. Instead, look for organic sanitary products and avoid the damages from these chemically loaded products. Now, if you're looking for additional support, please be sure to stay properly hydrated with good, clean, filtered water instead of sugary cranberry juice. Cranberries, like most berries, is only truly healthy as an actual berry or in a powder form that doesn't contain added sugars like most juices do. Cranberries have a unique ability to support your urinary health because they affect adhesion to the urinary tract wall and contain beneficial polyphenols like proanthocyanidins. So I hope you found these tips on urinary health helpful, and they will help you better take control of your health.